This is how you change the app icon color on your phone. We're used to having them default, which are usually the brand colors of whatever app it is, but we can change how those look and make them more uniform on our phone. If we tap and hold on any app, we see an edit home screen option appear. You can tap on that, or you tap and hold on any blank area until the apps jiggle, and then we have an edit button up here. Tap on the edit button and then tap on customize. Down at the bottom we have options for our apps. Default is what we're on. Dark mode looks like this, so it keeps some of the app colors but puts them in dark mode. You can have it set to auto for dark mode, so when your phone senses it's nighttime, it turns on dark mode. If you have that turned on in the settings, it will automatically switch to dark mode when the time is right. You can also choose clear, and there's a dark and light version, and there's also an auto option there. And on Tinted is where you can pick the colors. So if you want to make all your apps blue, you can change how blue. This is really no blue at all, takes it all out. And this is maximum blue, or maximum whatever color you want. These also work as light mode and dark mode, and auto as well. And that's how we change the app color. You can't change individual apps, you can only change all of them all at once. And as a bonus, you can change the size of the apps right here. Tap on that, it'll take the words out and make the app icons a little bit bigger on your screen. So if that's what you're into, choose whatever option you want here, and then just tap out of here, and now your apps are whatever color you set. If you want them back to default at some point in the future, just tap and hold anywhere again, make the apps jiggle, tap on edit at the top, customize, and then tap on default, and it goes back to how they were before. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to stop your iPhone from tracking you. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see you there.